This Chromebook configuration update will cover virtual desks. So on your Chromebook, you have the ability to create virtual desks, like having more than one desktop. And this allows you to manage multiple windows, multiple tabs, to kind of create like different workspaces. So to create, you're going to click this button on the top row of your Chromebook, and then you'll see an option to create a new desk button. Once you've created desks, then you can drag windows to different virtual desks. And you can use the search button along with the left and right brackets to switch back and forth between those virtual desks. So let's see how this works. I have multiple windows here open, and they're all currently sitting on the same desktop right now. And maybe I want to separate these out. Okay, like maybe this one is an assignment that I want to work on from another class, but I want to keep the work I'm doing right now open. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to locate this key on my keyboard, my Chromebook, and that expands out to show me all the different windows I have open. And up here in the top right-hand corner, here is the new desk button. So I'm going to click that, and now you'll see I have two desktops, desk 1 and desk 2. This is the window that I'd like to work on and put into a different desk. So I'm going to simply click and drag it into my new desk. So now here I have one virtual desktop. And then if I hold the search key button down and use the bracket buttons, I can switch over to the other virtual desktop. And I can swipe back and forth between them. And that concludes this Chromebook tutorial.